hopping. I haven't done a video in a minute, but I wanted to do this video when I finished everything, but it wasn't working out. It got super busy with like school and stuff. So this is a progress video. Just kind of wanted to go over how everything's looking and the issues that I have and how I'm going about fixing them. Here we have what the finished product would look like. This is the bottom casing. These are the holders right here. These are the holders for the screws. There are 4 of them on the outside. This is the ESP32. Here are some more screws. I actually made an iteration, so this one won't be needed. And then these are the molds for the piping. Oops. Let's see. Pipe molds. So, or actually, they go right over here, which go up through the corners of the box and then to right here. And this is a magnet that's conductive, which then connects to another magnet on the light holder that also has pipe mold, so that wire can go up to the top, and then this is where the light would be. So right now I've been really focused on the box and trying to figure out a way how to 3D print this. I finally figured out all the dimensions to be able to get the pump inside. I had to do a few modifications to this, like this used to be all the way over so that the ESP would go in both, and I'm seeing some issues really quick. Yeah, so the issue is trying to figure out how to 3D print this whole thing without having any support, because to take out the supports it gets super messy and I can't do it. For example, if you look, okay, so if you look right over here inside, do you see how it's all messy? And I actually didn't get all the supports, so it's really important. I tried to print this all in one, face down like that on the printer. So the inside looks really good, but the inside of like where all the pieces go looks really bad because I had to scrape out the supports and stuff. So what I have to do is print it this way and cut off the top like that, kind of like what I did right here. You see how it's much cleaner inside. And then I cut away the top and I tried to put these lines and stuff so that this piece could slide on. But the issue with that is that I didn't spend enough time trying to make sure that everything would go on snug, and none of the pieces actually fit. And I also made it go straight down the center of the hole, which was not a good idea, because this should just be printed as one piece, so I didn't have to make the connection starting here. Make the other side, this piece, to connect into that, and then that should be good. And then I print that face down and print this face down, and we should be golden. Right here, I did a test with the screw inserts, if you could see that. And then the ESP32 is gonna go right over here. What the hell? Okay, so this is an older model, so it doesn't fit, but it should fit perfectly on here. Yep, so everything like that. And then underneath I left some space so that when I do the soldering, it has some place to go. And then over here is an example of the motor, or the pump, which I've had a whole bunch of issues trying to make it slide in. So basically the pump would slide in right there, but I had to take off this whole section so that the pump can actually fit, so that the screw will actually only have 3 points of connection, or the ESP32 will only have 3 points of connection, one right there, and right there. This one is going to be cut off, as you see right there. But it's still going to be connected there, there, and there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm pretty stoked. Hopefully gonna be able to do this in the next week, but I'm super busy, so it's a slow process. But yeah, and then here's me trying to figure out the lights. That's a whole other thing I've been working on. It's definitely difficult, and I'm learning a whole bunch doing it. Peace.